So
and from there we'll head
this
up
is
to look into the
Maju Forest. I'm walking at like a... Okay, Steve, guys. Just okay. You go first. So this is like This is actually like a railway. It was actually led to so there are 3 stations: Tanjung Pagar, Jurong, and I said Woodlands, right? Oh, then. Oh, damn. Okay, so great. So this paddle, this area is. Oh, I got mud in my shoes. So this like walkway is weird and a bit exotic. Oh man. Step on the planks, step on the wooden planks. Why is it getting bigger and bigger? Oh my god. Okay, I'll give you an update later. I've cleared the tunnel, guys. Yay! No more water and stuff like that. Here we are at the track, guys. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more,